Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic problem that still plagues Xbox 360 owners: the blinking red light. You know, that dreaded ring of death that makes your gaming sessions grind to a halt. Don't worry, though, I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step fix that's straightforward and effective, even in 2025. Whether you're a retro gaming enthusiast or just stumbled upon this issue, let's get your console back in action quickly. First off, understand what the blinking red light usually means. It often signals an overheating problem, a loose connection, or hardware failure. The good news is that many cases can be resolved without professional help. Start by turning off your Xbox 360 and unplugging it from the power source. Let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. This simple step works wonders for overheating issues. Next, check all your cables. Make sure the power cord, AV cables, and any other connections are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose wire is the culprit. If everything looks good, grab a soft, dry cloth and gently clean the vents on your console. Dust buildup is a common enemy, so removing it can prevent future problems. Now, let's try a hardware reset. Locate the reset button on the front of your Xbox 360. It's usually a small hole. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. This can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't do the trick, you might need to open up the console. But be cautious, only attempt this if you're comfortable, as it could void your warranty. For more persistent issues, consider using a repair kit specifically designed for the Xbox 360's red ring problem. These kits are affordable and include thermal paste to fix overheating. Follow the instructions carefully, and always work in a well-ventilated area. If you're not tech-savvy, it's best to contact Microsoft support or take it to a professional repair shop. Once your console is fixed, make sure to keep it in a cool, well-ventilated spot and avoid long gaming sessions without breaks. That'll help prevent the issue from coming back. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's keep your gaming gear running smoothly. See you in the next video.